Hello friends, welcome to our channel ZK Tech VD. Hope everyone is well. Today's topic of our discussion is how to connect Wi-Fi to your smart TV. Smart TVs that are currently available are wireless. In that case, we are going to show you how to connect it today. One word before starting the video. Those who are new to our channel must subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the videos first, and thank you very much to those who have subscribed our videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Your feedback encourages us to make our next video. So let's start today's video. To connect your Wi-Fi, first click on the home page from your TV remote. After clicking on home menu, you can see many options coming up here. Select the setting menu by side scrolling with your remote. After selecting, click OK button. Now click OK the network option. After clicking the network, three options are available. First is net mode. We will connect wireless, so it will be wireless here. Now come to the following options. Here it says wireless. It's disconnected. It needs to be connected. Click OK button to connect. After clicking OK button, you can see add network and the name of your Wi-Fi is there. Select the Wi-Fi you want to connect. After selecting, you can see the options to enter the password. Here you put the password. After entering the password, click on the OK options using your remote. After clicking, you will see your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. Now click on the home menu of the remote. Now you click on the YouTube button on your remote to play YouTube. Watch YouTube launch on your TV. This was our today's video. See you in the next video, and until then everyone will be fine. May Allah Hafiz, stay healthy. Thank you.